What is going on, guys? Today is Friday and I'm going to be showing you 5 unique drone shots that you can use for your upcoming project. Stay tuned. Is go into speed and duration and reverse that clip. Then you're going to want to begin the video by putting a keyframe and have that scale at 100, initially what it is, and then move to the end of the timeline of the clip and scale that to whatever number is desired and play that back, and there you go, have a faked similar look dolly zoom. Hope this helps. So I hope you guys learned something from this. Let me know if you have any questions in a comment, and stay tuned for next week's video. Peace.